All right, everybody, check it out. So I'm doing a one-on-one, just slow speed stuff today. And this is a 2019 Harley-Davidson
Heritage Classic.
So here it is. So again, I'm just demonstrating, right, practicing doing some low speed stuff. So I'll show you a couple layers, right? So first, no front brake, no rear brake, no brakes at all. I'm just gonna show you just clutch control only, right? Then I'll add a little bit of rear brake, but I want you to pay attention to a bunch of things. Look at my head turns, how my body position is, how much lean angle the bike has, and how I'm not actually moving the clutch much. It's either power, no power. It's just tiny movements. You can listen to the throttle because it's got the exhaust, right? So you can hear it. Just listen to all those different things. I'll come back and tell you to watch something else. But it's, again, just demonstrating, just practice on everything, get good at everything. Then the bike you're riding, it doesn't matter. People always want to blame the bike. Just put your first name where the word bike is, because that's whose fault it is, right? Here we go. No brakes. So because I'm using no brakes, it's a big powerful engine, right? A lot of torque. So just the clutch alone, when I have it in, sometimes there's so much power and I have so much momentum and I can't slow down because I'm not using the brakes, then I can't control the speed so much. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of rear brake. And I'm not going on and off the brake. I'm just gonna have my foot resting on there. I'll just give it like 1-2%, a little bit more, a little bit less. But now you can see I could do a whole lot more things, which I cannot do without the rear brake. And now I can control the speed, but since I'm slowing it down with the rear brake, now I may need to raise up the RPM a little bit. So I always have power to the engine, but the rear brake is slowing it down, kind of like a anchor in the back of a boat. You know, just kind of slowing it down a little bit. That's the idea. Check it out. Bit of rear brake, I could get the bike to slow and have a little bit more control. Now, so people say you go where you look, right? Yeah, at a white belt level, like doing low speed stuff, it's a good idea to start off, you go where you look, I got it. But then you go a little bit deeper, blue belt level, okay, now I want to look where I want to be. Then you go a little bit deeper, brown belt, now I look where I want to be in the next second or two. Then you go beyond all that crap, who cares where you're looking? It more so becomes how the bike feels, what the bike lean angle feels like, and what it sounds like. So I'll demonstrate all of those different layers with the video. Look where you want to go. Now look where I want to be. Once again, bike doesn't matter. Just shut up and practice.